guys, this is Sherry here, and I'm with Matt.
No.
No?
Matthew.
Okay.
Or Matt.
I'm with Matt Squared.
No.
Yeah, you don't think Matt Squared is appropriate for the subject that we're about to talk about?
No, that's okay.
Okay. So here's what happened. Matt came to me and he saw that I was doing some videos, and he said, Mom, I'd like to make a video about the math because it's very, very, very frustrating to me. So he wants to talk about the new math. So go ahead, Matthew.
Okay. They switched this math that I had from Envision Math to Common Core Math.
Mm-hmm.
Now, the Envision Math was way easier for me. So last night, I come home and I do my homework. And I'm in the middle of doing it, and I start my math homework. And I'm all, how do I say it?
Just from your heart. How'd you feel?
Frustrated.
There you
Whatever.
go.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
You said it right.
Okay.
Frustrated.
Okay, so I go downstairs to my mom, and I say, Mom, can I call my sister's non-boyfriend Ryan? Now, Ryan's a kid who's been helping me with all my math since we've got this Common Core because I couldn't do it.
And when he helps you, how do you feel?
When he helps me, I do my math way better, and I just
You're less frustrated?
yeah.
Okay. Well, when he doesn't help you, which he can't always help you because he doesn't live with us, how do you feel?
I feel good. He's it's a little frustrating, but we make it work. And I only had to do like a few problems last night for my homework, and instead of doing just a few of them, he said, Matt, you want to know what? Why don't we just do these 2 extra ones just for practice? And I say, okay. We do it. I get them both right. And on the last problem, he bets money on it.
He did. We're going to have to talk to him about playing that betting game. But tell everybody, how have you been? What do you think about this new math? Do you think that they did the right thing by changing the math on you in 4th grade?
No.
Why not?
Because a lot of people in my grade just don't like it. Me and my friend...
Well, there are lots of things in life that you're not going to like. It's not about not liking it. What has it really done for you guys?
Confused. It's getting us confused. Me and one of my friends are trying to understand why they would switch it now instead of just give it to us when we first entered the school I am in today.
Right, in kindergarten, right?
Yeah.
So really what you're thinking is that this new math, as great as it might be, should have been given to the kindergartners and not anybody who's gone through kindergarten through 4th grade. Correct?
Yeah. The kindergartners who are starting kindergarten next year.
Should be the ones getting it.
And then we should continue it through all the grades.
Exactly. I agree with you. So I don't know how you are dealing with this new math out there. As a parent, I find it even more difficult to help my son. I really am lost and confused, and it's only 4th grade math. So I guess I couldn't be on that show, Are You Smarter Than a 5th Grader? So I just, it's a frustration, not just for me, but for my son as well. And, I feel like he's right. They should not have started this until the new kindergartners had come in, and they should have left it the way it was. And this whole Common Core thing may be a great program. However, when you change up the world that these people that these young children live in, especially somebody like my son who doesn't adjust well to change in general. And there are, I'm sure a lot of you have sons or daughters that you can relate to this, that don't deal with change. I have some kids that you change something at the drop of a hat and they're okay with it, they just go with the flow. But then I have some kids, because I have 4, that are not okay with it. And Matthew happens to be, or Matt Squared, happens to be just one of those that is not happy with change on the drop of a dime. So this is not just and adjustment for them, with the math and the learning, but it's a physical, emotional. I mean, this is really stressing him out. He comes home, he's stressed out over it, and he gets very upset over it, and very, very, very emotional about it, to the point where his teacher has told him not to worry about it. I've told him not to worry about it, but it's very hard when you're a child and you're coming home with grades that are not good, and you're used to getting good grades. So what I wanted to say was, maybe there's some kind of compromise out there, and I'd like to hear your views on this. And click the link below and share your thoughts and views, and we'll see you on the other side. Bye for now. Say goodbye, Nat.
Peace.
Ah.